Getting a first look at the damage today.
And he surveyed the damage in the Bayou State, flying over the hard-hit areas and meeting with the governor and other state leaders. Our D.C. Bureau Chief Ben Kennedy live now in Washington with much more. Ben.
Well, Calvin, Nicole, President Biden said driving into New Orleans, he could see all the power lines down, get a real impact of what is going on, as upwards of 850,000 homes are still in the dark, and he's there to help them bounce back. President Biden touched down in New Orleans to assess the damage from Hurricane Ida, met with state and local leaders to determine what they need in the wake of the storm.
Mr. President, from your track record, I know you will be a great partner in our recovery.
Biden promised federal support and deployed 6,000 members of the National Guard to help with search and rescue efforts.
We also know there's a heck of a lot more work to do, and that's why we're here today.
But before leaving D.C., Biden discussed the disappointing August jobs report.
Even with the progress we've made, we're not where we need to be in our economic recovery.
Only 235,000 jobs were added last month, far below the expected 720,000. The commander-in-chief put the blame on those who did not get the vaccine as creating unease in the economy.
Too many have not gotten vaccinated, and it's creating a lot of unease in our economy and around our kitchen tables.
Now, President Biden is about to tour some of those neighborhoods hard hit by the storm as the White House continues to encourage those people to apply for federal aid. In fact, 50,000 households have received a one-time payment of $500 for critical needs. Calvin, Nicole.